Morning, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream. I'm trying to mess around with my indicators right now because we both decided to just be like, screw you, STV, this morning. We're going to change all of your stuff. So let's see what we're going to get here. It just doesn't like me this morning. It doesn't like me at all. Doesn't like me at all. Oh, there we go. Let me do this nonsense. Oh, we're back. See how easy that was? See how easy that was? It took me like 10 minutes to try and figure that nonsense out. So, guys, today is going to be a wild day. Today is going to be a wild day. The Fed is going to start talking during the day. Oh, we got a Tyrion up here. That's pretty interesting. Let's see what Jimmy and Amy are doing over here. Again, guys, as you're filtering into the stream, make sure you guys hit that like button. Helps out a whole lot, gets more people in here. Late. You guys say I'm late every day. We've been over this also every single day. I'm never late. I click the button right at 8:30. I don't want to hear it, folks. I don't want to hear it. All right. So let's see. Amy flat. Spy flickering around in the box. We got Jimmy up about 0.9%. We got a Tyrion doing its thing over here. Let's check some of the value plays that we've been looking at. Tiger. What's up with Tiger? Ooh. Tiger coming back up a little bit. The Tiger King. Here we go. Choppy market for sure. Yeah. I mean, it's just going to be ridiculous today. Let's see. Let's pull up that list again. See what's going on exactly today. All right. So here's what we got. At 12:05 p.m., we have Fed Evans is speaking to the Economic Club of New York, and then at 8 p.m. tonight, we have Neil Kashkari. Tomorrow and Thursday is when it really starts to heat up and things start to go wild. Oil down 2%. Oxy puts. Oil's a little bit too volatile right now to be like, yeah, let's just trade some oil stuff. Like it doesn't. You need like it to pick the direction throughout the day. Like where's oil right now? Yeah, WTI is down 2.22%. Brent's down 2.29. Oxy's probably down a little bit, but even then, Oxy was super green yesterday, so you kind of got to watch it. Like, all right, well, it's going to be pretty volatile, so it doesn't have anything to do really with what's going on technically with the charts. It's more news driven and what's been going on with the news. Oxy always does whatever it feels like. Maybe you should click the button earlier. No. Let's see. Again, guys, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind, clicking that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot. Oh, nice. YouTube's being an a-hole again. Good morning, STV and all. Good morning. Let's do some Ortex as we're filtering in here. I know you guys love some Ortex. Hold on. Let's see what we're getting over here. I know you guys love to look at some Ortex. Okay, so we have no borrowed shares today so far on AMC, but we have 164,000 return shares. So when there's no borrowed shares, we're not going to get any estimated like today's cost to borrow numbers yet until they borrow some shares. 19.47% estimated short interest. Now, what's it up on Jimmy? GME, they have a net return of 75,000 shares. They have 20.73% estimated short interest, and all of these 2,800 shares went out at 6.57%. So that's what we're looking at in terms of the Ortex data. Actually, there's one more thing I wanted to look at on Amy. Let's look. I mean, the shares on loan is probably going down. It's probably under 132. Yeah, 132.5 million shares on loan. Again, getting above 140 million shares on loan. Yeah, they're going to short it more, but they're going to need to, that's going to end up sending up the cost to borrow. Gilbert, thanks for the super, buddy. Thanks for the 4 daily lives. Sorry, I can't send more. I don't do 4 daily lives. I do like 1. Today, I have to break it up because I have to go to class and do a presentation, which sucks. But, let's see. UK says today it's announced intention to remove the Moscow Stock Exchange's status as a recognized stock exchange. All right. Micron, what's up with Micron? Micron, what do we got? Micron's up a little bit in the pre-market over here. Let's see. Anything crazy going on the tweeter? Uber, no more mask requirement for riders and drivers. Ooh, I like that. Twitter poll from Adam Aaron. Interesting. All right. Let's see what we're gonna get over here. Tyrion's interesting. Yeah, Tyrion's been on a little bit of like a moon mission recently. Oh, no, down 4% in the pre-market over here, kind of getting sparked. Little bit sparky in the pre-market on a Tyrion. Ryan Cohen tweet. Yeah, life is like a box of condoms. I saw that one. I saw that one. Hardly no buying pressure today, so I think they will let Amy run today a little green. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. That seems a little bit backwards, don't you think? Don't you think that seems a little? Don't you think it seems a little bit backwards? All right, let's see. STV imposter? What? What? All right, let's see. Yeah, also, did you guys see that 1.5 million accounts were canceled at streaming like at streaming services like Disney Plus and Netflix in the first quarter of 2021 in the UK. That's some pretty big news. That in the way that you need to think about it is, okay, so movie theater industry, what is the trend? Streaming industry, what is the trend? Okay, so the theater industry is on an uptrend. More revenue, more foot traffic in the theaters, more movies. It is on its way back up. For streaming services, which all of the little people on the news media were like, nope, streaming's going to take over. Streaming wins. Movie theaters are dead. The streaming services are all kind of peaking and coming back down. So when you look at the trends of streaming, it's like streaming's kind of coming back down. Movie theaters are on the way up. So it's like, interesting. Thoughts on Snap earnings this week? Strangle? Yeah, I will probably strangle it. Let's see. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hey, SCB, do value stocks continue upwards today? Cat, Target, Walmart, HD. I find much more success with these than pumps. Also, Ortex on DraftKings, please. They might. They might. I mean, there's kind of a little bit of a value rotation going on. Home Depot, I believe, was down a little bit yesterday. The 4-hour, the longer time frames on Home Depot don't look as good as like a Target or a Caterpillar. But Target right now, I mean, it's up 0.25% in the pre-market on literally no volume. 395 shares have been traded. And then Walmart, I believe, was in the green as well. Walmart's kind of flickering around. And then Caterpillar, flat. So again, they also could be in for a little cool off day too. And again, with the Fed starting to talk, it's like, it's going to be, wait, this is not what we want on Ortex. DraftKings, Ortex. I mean, I don't think you're going to look at DraftKings as a short squeeze play, but I can pull it up for you. 10.84% estimated short interest. 1% average cost to borrow, 1.05%. Utilization is 35%. 41 million shares on loan. But Charles, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. It's almost like people want to go out and live their lives instead of sitting at home watching TV. Dude, I feel that. I feel that. Ortex, me, my life feels shorted. Well, what's going on there? That doesn't sound good. Squirrel never sleeps. That's true. That's true. Today's your birthday. Let's make a little challenge for an OG. Well, again, the birthday challenge is 35.58% Green Day. You beat that, you get mod for a day. The last time that somebody did it was like the 44% Green Day on their birthday, and they proved to me that it was their birthday, and there's still a mod on the channel. It's just they just float around. In your feelings happens, bro. Happens though. Streaming had a big boost due to lockdowns. It's just adjusting now, still an uptrend. Right, but that's not the guidance won't be good. Signed up for premium yesterday. You blew up your account that had 80K in it before you joined. See what can happen. Eric, take it slow, buddy. Take it slow. Again, guys. So the algorithm that we have, that you're going to be able to follow along with and kind of see which trades it's taking. Let me see. Where is this? Is going to be ready for you guys very soon. And remember, you guys are getting the free access trial period until the end of the month over here. So the link to that, I'll throw you guys the link. Remember, you do have to sign up through the Patreon, but you won't get charged until the end of the month. So the link, I just sent you guys the link if you guys do want to check it out. We're doing like over 40 private live streams for you guys every single month. You get alerted on over 400 stocks. We have the fastest alerts. You're getting the proprietary trading algorithm that literally picks stocks based on the rules. And we have some other giant things coming for you guys in the future that if you're in premium, you get grandfathered in. I mean, you guys are getting a lot over there. A lot of the new guy went from like $2,000 to $100,000. It's insane the amount of gains that these people are making with the strategy around these crossovers. Let's see. So Amy's pretty much flat over here. All right. Yeah, so this morning, guys, I got to cut it a little early because I got to go to class and do a presentation. Today and Thursday, I have presentations I got to do. But then I'll be back on in the afternoon. So that's the plan for today. Hey, Stevie, good morning. What's your entry strategy when a stock crosses the 1348 in the pre-market? Do you consider that a missed trade or you jump in at 9:30? It's too... No. Okay, so one, it's not an actionable cross. You can't really touch it. So if it happens in the pre-market, well, that's not a cross that you would really want to take because you can't trade based off of it. Now, if it's below the 200 EMA, it comes back up. I wouldn't trade anything that's happening in the first 15 minutes of the market anyway. I do it sometimes, but usually not. No, you're just going to see your ex? Yeah, no. Let's see. You can validate that 1348 has been a huge success. Base hits all day long. There you go, DM Ohio. There you go, buddy. Presentation. What am I teaching? I feel like a real estate presentation, which isn't the worst thing in the world. All right, let's see. Yeah, guys, also, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. That's all we asked for around here. Let's see. CMPI is spamming it over here. Is this going to be another penny stock that's running? Yep, penny stock that's running. Am I touching it? Nope. Oh, Regeneron's buying it out. This is the thing. With these stocks here, if you're in it before it booms, you win. If you chase it after, you have a high probability of losing. So why put yourself in that position? Gas and oil falling off a cliff. Glad you picked up some Oxy and UNG puts yesterday. Yeah, a lot of you guys were trading those UNG puts or the Oxy puts after that little run up it was having. Where's natural gas right now? Ooh, natural gas down 4.45%. Jesus. Selling. All right, people. Boom. Real estate. You buy, then rent, and forget it. 50. You see how many houses you have, and sell or keep. Enjoy life. Yeah, I was thinking about this the other day. I was like, I kind of want to top tick rates. Because if you top tick rates and rates start to come down, home prices just then go up. Yeah, you might have a little bit of a higher mortgage payment, but you can afford a less valuable house. But then the house will appreciate as rates start to come back down eventually. So I want to top tick rates. I don't know when that's going to be. It could be years. It could be years before rates peak for mortgages and the Fed funds rate, but we'll see. Not if you're a cash offer. Well, I'm not, so. Well, she's a guy, so she sounds hideous. All right, let's see. The sooner you take a trade after the cross, the more likely you'll exit a trade with a profit. If you take a cross that happened in the pre-market, you're risking more, correct? No. It just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't follow any of the rules. It's not actionable. You cannot trade any options in the pre-market. Come on, kid. By the end of 2022, you will be a cash offer. Yeah, maybe. It's possible. It's possible. Very possible. I mean, nobody's going to loan to me, which sucks. But that's why I might have to do some funny business to get my hands on a couple and then just be like, that's my income. You just need one play today. I mean, if the SPY does this nonsense again, where it's just like up, down, up, like that's just going to be insane. The amount of insanity that we have in the SPY recently is just nuts. What time are the feds talking? Uh-oh. Somebody's doing LSD again. Hold on. Nonsense on the restream today already. All right. YouTube funny business. All you need is a Wendy's LSD time. Yeah. Which one of you guys is doing just like drugs over here? He's wearing khakis. She sounds hideous. All right, folks. Let's see. So SPY's in the box over here. Huh. Okay. Okay, SPY. Does QQQ move the same or the opposite of the SPY? Pretty much the same. A little bit more, though. It's going to move a little bit more because it's basically all tech. It's bicycle day? It might be. Wait, what do you mean by bicycle day? Are the feds are talking today? Please don't, guys. Please. Everybody in here, stop calling them the feds. The feds are the FBI. The Fed is the Fed. The feds are like the FBI, the DOJ. That's like Squirrel says it as a joke because he knows that it bothers me. When people say the feds, it bothers me. I don't know why. It's like, that's not what it is. Calls or puts for Netflix earnings. Oh, Christ. All right. Guys, again, if you're playing earnings, both ways. Fed is the Federal Reserve. Exactly. Never. Who is it today again? Where is this? Where did I get it? Where is it? Right here. We got Fed Evans speaking to the Economic Club of New York at 12:05 p.m. That's what we got. Fed equals Rothschild Central Bank. It's funny. I knew a Rothschild one time, like a legit one. Fevins. Fed Evans. All right, let's see what we're gonna get here, folks. I mean, Amy, it was okay. So back to the 4 hour in the daily for Amy. It's the momentum to the downside is slowing. But again, look, you got this 4 hour MACD crossover here, and it didn't do anything. It did not really come back up. You're still green on the histogram right here, but you're looking like you want to get a cross down. You could come down and make some new lows here. And you got to be prepared for what the technicals on the chart are saying. Is it probably going to come down? Yeah, it does. It looks like it's going to come back down. Could it just rip faces off? Yes. And in order to see that, we need a 4 hour cross here on 1348. Closing candles above the 200 EMA, then we can start coming back up. The daily, though, is like, probably come down. So then when everybody's going to come in here and be like, why is it going down? It's like that the technicals are just saying it's coming down. This is just what the chart is saying right now. Is anything changed with the overall short squeeze play? No, not at all. But short term, the technicals are saying it's probably coming back down. Be prepared. He means have cash to buy low. Well, you can if you want to. I'm just saying, like, in terms of like your overall sanity, don't lose your mind if you start to see it come down again. Last Friday's in the money options due today. Well, sort of. Yeah, the puts are. There were a lot of puts in the money last week, like lots of puts, which is not good. Like people are like, no, you don't hedge puts through short. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. In order to delta hedge put contracts, if they're far enough away from max pain, you're shorting. That's just how it works. You can gamma in both ways. Just signed up for the Discord. Wish you luck. Good luck, man. Good freaking luck. Make sure you're talking to everybody in there too, because almost everybody that's in premium now is very, very, very experienced at what they're doing now and knows the strategy, and they're able to really pick out these crosses. You played some earning strangles that got IV crushed. What do? You keep going. That's how it works. The earnings plays are not supposed to hit all the time. They're designed so that you're literally risking a tiny amount of money to make potentially a large amount of money. But the reason why you have to risk such a small amount of money every single time is, one, you need to stay alive, and two, you don't know what's going to happen on earnings. The math is not going to tell you if you're going to win or not. The math tells you if it's a good trade in terms of if it moves in a direction, are you going to make money? That's what the math tells you. So you're saying, okay, does the company move on earnings? And I mean, we can price in Netflix right now because Netflix is after hours today. This is one that I know a lot of you guys are going to be trading. Like right now, this is what it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot. What's it at right now? 337.35. Okay, so this is going to be 16.95 plus 17.18 divided by, it's Netflix is pricing in a 10% move up or down ish. It's about a 10% move. So that means that the market in the options chain is prepared for a 10% move. That's what the prices of those options are reflecting on either side. So usually what I do is I would say, hey, this is what the market's expecting. Do I think it's right or wrong? And I would go 1.5 to 2 times outside of what the market's expecting. Now, Netflix, this is kind of the weird thing now with earnings. Almost every single company that you see is going to price in a stupid amount because, one, the overall volatility in the market is still relatively high, and you're coming into earnings season on companies that have been moving a shitload on earnings over the last couple times that they've reported. So you're gonna have to deal with more more implied volatility. Now, when that happens, this is what I do. When there's more when the options around earnings are a lot more expensive, this is what I do. I won't go for the weekly, I'll go for the next week, and I'll go further out. So you're giving yourself a little bit more time, and you can go a little bit further out without getting absolutely busted by theta in IV. You still will if it doesn't move in your right direction, but it doesn't have to move completely in your all the way in order for you to make money. We should do another forecast. You call an Amy climb up on April 25th. The last time that I was calling for Amy to have a run was literally just this right here. This move right here. Once we saw this closing candle above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour, I was buying calls. I was 100% buying calls. That's the last time that I did it, though. Nothing else is screaming on the chart right now for AMC buy calls. It doesn't make any sense. Mullen moonshot coming. Let's see. Mullen Automotive. Mullen's down another 3.8% in the pre-market over here. Mullen's getting close to buy territory, honestly. Amy will squeeze in June. It might. It might. Yesterday's SPY moves were market makers burning premium, especially the run at 130 and taking it back the last 20 minutes and right up back at close. Prove me wrong. I can't. I mean, that's probably what it was. That's most likely what it was. Bum, 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 bum. BBIG dividend coming? Yep, it is. Like the video, AMC going to rip today? Well, we don't know that, but if you guys don't mind, hitting that like on the stream helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. Again, YouTube's been a little wonky recently with us, which kind of sucks, not going to lie. Kind of sucks with YouTube being an a-hole like that. Can you tell me why that IMPP has remained on the threshold list for over 3 weeks? They haven't closed out the FTDs. There's more FTDs coming into it. They might be trying to close out some of the old ones, but then there's new ones coming in. So the overall amount of failures to deliver are keeping it on the threshold list. Yesterday was amazing on SPY. Made 100%, multiple 100% moves. Yeah, man, you were killing it on the SPY yesterday. Absolutely killing it. Let's see. How about SDC, Smile Direct? Make up a 0.5%. Where's Tiger in the pre-market? I mean, I do like these Tigers. The problem with so here's the deal. The problem with the Tiger play right now is I mean, I do have time on it, which is going to help me out a whole lot. It needs to just continue on that slow upward trajectory in order for these contracts to really go. Now, if the Fed comes in and starts sparking things, you could see a flight into value. It's very possible that when the Fed starts to do a bunch of its nonsense, the SPY sells off. You see Target, Home Depot, Caterpillar, all of these other stocks start to sell off initially, but then the next couple of days, the market's like, oh, this is where we want to put our money, and then all of those value stocks start to rip. When's the GME split happening? I think it gets voted on in June. So I think it's voted on in June, and then potentially it'll happen in July. That's kind of where you're looking at it. What's Henry doing? Henry down another percent. Dario, it's not that some stocks stay closed, it's that nobody's trading them in the pre-market, I believe. Let's see what happens with this volatile mother effer. Ethereum looking fishy, like you to drop bad. I mean, Ethereum went on a nice run. It could easily drop and then come right back up. Ethereum's got a lot of buying pressure behind it right now, but there's also a lot of people that want to see that thing fall. Expect rate hikes today? No. They're just going to be talking about the overall state of the economy and what they want to see happen. So they're going to be talking about, so yesterday Bullard was saying if rate hikes don't work, balance sheet runoff is going to be something that they do, meaning that the Fed is going to just start selling assets. They're just going to be like, they're just going to literally shrink their balance sheet of what they're holding in terms of all the bonds that they've been purchasing. What time are your apartment dwelling drills scheduled for today? I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. All right, people. Expect the unexpected. Yeah, guys. It's going to be, this week is going to be wild. Like, seriously, this week is going to be crazy. Actually, let me check something real quick. I want to check something and see if the government took my money. No, they took some of them. They're starting to take it. Oh, no. No. The government's taking my money. All right, let's see. So news on the airliners is that the Supreme Court lifted the mask mandate on planes. Think they can move today? I don't. Okay, I haven't seen that. I've seen travel restrictions. I've seen travel restrictions have been listed. I have not seen they lifted the mask mandate on planes. Welcome to adulthood. Fucking, they're taking my money. They did lift them. Interesting. All right, SPY's bouncing off the lower end of this box here. That's going to be another level of support today. If you start to see, I honestly think it's going to do what it did yesterday. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Like, I think it's going to be just another volatile day. Or, this is the other thing, or it's going to be sneaky bullish. That, like, it's just going to start to slowly climb up, and everybody, every 10 seconds is going to be like, it's about to come down, and then it never does. What's going on with Twitter? Nothing. I mean, Twitter was up 7.5% yesterday. It's down about 3/4% now in the pre-market. Nothing really going on. Nothing's really going on with Amy either right now. It's down about 4 cents. Jimmy's up about $1.94. Jimmy could go on a nice little run today, little rebound run. This was just like this was the remember the Benzinga article yesterday? It's like GME is spiking up on higher volume, and it's like whoa, whoa, whoa. It's like still really red. Shut up, Benzinga. Your buddy took a flight yesterday, mask not required, but said 80% of people were still wearing masks. Yeah, like I was telling you guys, I don't wear masks anywhere around here. Like never. But the thing is on planes, I always get sick. So, oh, I think I have to wear a mask to school today. I think there's a mask. I think I have to. Oh shoot! I think my school is now requiring masks again. That's funny. Let's see. Robin Hood to acquire Ziglu. I don't know what that is. UConn, yes, they are. Oh, that's funny. I don't even know if I have one, bro. I like legit don't know. Oh, this is a problem. Well, all right. See what happens. Cool. A new company to short. Yeah, we're like, what's Hood doing in the pre-market now off of that? Why are they ripping on acquiring a company that rarely happens? What are they doing? Call TMI? Yeah, I should. Hey, bud, you got any more masks? Can I check Ethereum? Yeah, what's it down? Like 4% in the pre-market here? Oh no, 1.83. It's coming back up. Ethereum's coming back up. Germany's 10-year government bond yield extends rise, up almost 12 basis points on the day. Ooh. Ooh. Would TLT move off of that? I don't think so. No, TLT's down a little today. NZT user. What's up, man? How you doing? All right, guys. As well as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. We got about 27 minutes left to go. You're probably allergic to cabin air due to air filters. No. Nope, definitely getting sick all the time. You aren't eating chicken in a box again, are you? What is chicken in a box? I have never eaten chicken in a box. TLT selling here. Huh. Interesting. Twitter seen a news feed about class action lawsuit against Musk by Wolf Popper LLP for not disclosing his purchase or something. He doesn't care. Are these bots? I don't know what you're talking about. Most likely, if they smell like a bot and they look like a bot, it's probably a bot. If they stinky, it's probably a bot. Good morning, SCB. What's up, Ralph? How you doing, buddy? Amy, pretty much flat in the pre-market over here, down about 5 cents. Spy's trying to break down out of this box over here. Let's see, Tiger still holding flat. Let's see, Caterpillar doing its thing. Wally, yeah, Wally doing its thing too. What do bots smell like? They're stinky, bro. The bots are stinky. The bots are stinky. Oh, good morning. What's up to all the members? You guys are awesome. SCV's Hedgy Tears, Robert, Diamond Backhand, Todd. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Let's see. Trey's the apparition. What's up, man? SCV's Hedgy Tears. Keith, we got all the members in here today. What's up, everybody? There's a Fed talk. Okay, so this is the one thing I want you guys to distinguish. There's a difference between like a Fed talk and the Fed people talking. There's a big difference. There's not like a big Fed meeting where Jerome is going to be speaking and giving an address and everybody's going to be watching it. But people from the Fed are making speeches and talking throughout this week. Those speeches are going to have things in them that are going to move the market. But it's not like a big scheduled Federal Reserve meeting. Like today is what do you call it? It's Fed Evans at the Economic Club of New York. Is that an actual Fed event? No, it's an Economic Club of New York event. Then you have Mary Daly speaking at 10:30 tomorrow. You have Fed Evans speaking to the Peterson Institute at 11:30 a.m. tomorrow. You have Bostic speaking at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Like tomorrow's crazy. Thursday's even crazier. And then Friday slows down. Hard to find your feed, SCV. Also see 10-month-old videos. Yeah, man. YouTube's been really, really annoying recently. But it's fine. We'll get again, the only way to really counteract that is with your guys' help. Hitting that like button on the stream. Let's see. Yeah. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button, it costs you nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot, helps get these streams out to some more people. Let's see. Spy getting sparked here. Little sparkiness on the Spy. Which hedge fund are you applying to after graduation? None of them. Zero. Actually, let's check and see what the options chain is looking like for Amy this week. 18,000 puts in the money, 5,000 calls. You know what happens then. What's Max Payne? Did Max Payne come down? 18. Wait, that's not. Hold on. Ticker symbol AMC. All right. 18.5 Max Payne on AMC. 1850. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Edge Capital. Amy down about 6 cents here. The price goes up, right? Yeah, no. You gave a proper good morning in the Discord, members only, if anyone needs their spirits lifted. Phil, there you go, man. STV shaved off mustache. There we go. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Morning, SV. It's true. You don't have to apply. Kenny G has guaranteed you a job based on your performance this year in your internship. Love you. Keith, thank you so much for all the supers, buddy. I really appreciate that. When you check the Twitter DM on the comparison I made to look for a prediction today, only difference is one comes from an ascend and the other is a descend. Okay. More puts are going to help us balance the chain and the price goes up. No, you don't need the chain to be balanced. You need it actually completely unbalanced with calls in the money. When are we coming up with? All right, no. Let's see. Why would there be calls in the money? You keep saying there's no reason to buy calls right now. Because people do it every week. People do it every week. People buy willy-nilly calls on Amy every single week. Like right now, there's 138,000 contracts out of the money for AMC right now on the call side. There's only 29,000 puts out of the money, but there's 18,000 puts in the money. So there's a shitload of people still betting on AMC going up. Could it? Yes. Are the technicals screaming bullish at you right now? No. Funny thing is that last week the price did go up after a bunch of puts were sold. Yep. But did it go up back to the height that it was at before? Nope. And when you sell puts, that's bullish. So when you sell, when somebody buys puts then sells puts, like selling puts is a bullish bet, but you still have to hedge them by shorting. So that's not really what happens. And even if it does, it's not going to go back up to the price that it already was at because I'm going to bash my head into the table. But the amount of money that would need to come in to short to hedge is always going to be more than the potential gain on the put contract that can potentially come back into the stock. So why did it happen? You might be right that it caused a little bit of a pop, but it didn't go back up to where it was or cause a nice run. So then now it's like, let's push it down to get it back up a little bit. So that doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Yeah, bunch of nonsense. Will a guy be able to sell leap out of the money options during the squeeze, or should a guy just try to exercise them? If they're out of the money, you would never exercise. You would never exercise it. It wouldn't make any sense. The intrinsic value is 0. You just got married this past weekend. Turned your wife's initials from AMB to AMC. That has to be good luck, right? Yeah, that's awesome. That's funny. That's good, man. Congratulations on getting married. Must be nice, bro. Nice. Good for you. Now you get to do the honeymoon stuff. That sounds like a good time. You get a lot of gifts. Get a lot of gifts and stuff too. Sounds fun. You just get to get. Will there be a buyer for those leap out of the monies though? Yes. You'll sell. The market maker will buy them back from you. If they're out of, okay, if you're saying like they're way out of the money and you're saying it's squeezing, they're probably going to go in the money. Now okay, so here's what's going to happen if you start to see your options go way in the money and where it's squeezing, you're going to see the spreads get really wide, but there's still going to be a bid price on those contracts. It's just the spread's going to be a little bit fucked up. Are you still going to be able to sell them? Yes. Are you going to be able to get the price that it may say in your brokerage account? No. But you're still going to make a bunch of money. Good morning. I didn't get any notification from YouTube again. Guys, make sure you have notifications on the channel turned on. Hit that notification bell. YouTube's jerking with us a lot recently. You just started seeing a new girl. Things are going well, but we're not getting married anytime soon. Ditch her. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm just kidding. How many days of not buying Starbucks could you retire early? Probably like 10,000. What is it, like $4 a day or something? Yeah, Daily Taylor. It's just nonsense. YouTube's just a bunch of nonsense. Nonsense. All right, let's see here. Ethereum booming. Eater. Yeah, a little boom on Ethereum. This thing is spicy. Ethereum spicy. Like number 775. Well, that's not possible. You got married a year after you started dating? Yeah, don't do that shit. That's poor life decisions there. You can't blame anybody but yourself for that one, pal. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's just not worth it. When am I getting married? Never. That's not true. I don't know. I have to talk about it with your wife. See when I'm getting married. All right, let's see. Ethereum, new highs in the pre-market over here. This thing's well, yeah. Well, it's at the after like the after close high yesterday. It's right around there. It looks like it wants to get a little spicy, man. You put a ring on it after 6 months, bro. How the hell are you guys? You guys are just literally risking it all here. The Ethereum new high. Wow, this thing's getting spicy. So your ex? Stop. Why do you keep bringing up my ex, bro? Leave me alone. That time does not matter. No, I get it. No, I get it. Todd, I get it, bro. I completely get it. That's fine. You just gotta be careful, bro. Yeah, Tyrion's running, man. People going willy-nilly on marriage. Yeah, dude. You got no stop loss on that one either. Well, technically it's a 50% stop loss, but you know, same difference. So for real this time, does everyone get a fun little animation when you hit the like button? I remember saying this a while ago, but it just started doing it for me. Oh, that's kind of cool. Test it out. Dodge the bullet there. Yeah, it's all about dodging the bullets, pal. All right, 1744 on Amy. Let's see. Spy's trying to come back up into the box. Tyrion's getting a little spicy. You tried to sell it 20%, but it didn't work. All right, let's see. Ortex on Tyrion. It's high, man. It's like 40% shorted, isn't it? Tyrion, 41.27% estimated short interest. Net borrow of 707,000 shares today. 2.15 million total borrowed. 241% cost to borrow. This thing is jumpy. YOLO'd into your marriage and you're down 90%. It happens, bro. Tiger gonna keep moving up today? It might. It might. Etyrion's been the killer this month. Yeah, Ethereum has been a killer this month. Where's Tiger? Tiger. Nothing really. Oh no, you could 0% stop loss if she signs some more papers. Yeah, but those aren't like you can get around those. That's the problem. Like you can get around prenups. You got married 2 months after high school, bro. You were like 18 years old. Yeah, I'm 22. You're almost 25. All right, bro. We'll see. We'll see if I'm willing to take that risk. If Ethereum breaks 679, it might go parabolic. Dude, Ethereum could go wild. Ethereum could be a wild boy today. Ethereum needs to hurry up and rip and then dump so MC can go. We've been inversing Ethereum, and of course, Ethereum would run after I dump your May calls for 3. And it went to 233. Yeah, Ethereum's going to be 22. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday. Does the new bot trade for you, or you tell you? No. Well, no, it trades for Algo because Algo's made the bot, but it'll just tell you when it's making the trades, and you'll know exactly why if you pay attention to like which bot is doing what. There's 2 bots. You're gonna get 2 of them. So you're gonna get. They're basically algorithms that trade by themselves, and they incorporate all of the 1348 rules that we've taught around these crossovers, and it's on the daily time frame, and the bots have been killing it. So if you guys do want access to those are coming out too. And again, you guys do have a little free access period until the end of the month with the Discord. You do have to sign up through the Patreon. It's pinned in the top of the live chat over there. You just we'll get charged at the beginning of next month. Come to the private live stream, see the community of people in there that are killing it. Like a lot of the new people in there are like, whoa, I didn't realize there were all these people in here helping me. It's like, yeah, that's the point of it. Caterpillar. Let's see. It's at the 200 EMA right here. If it falls through, it's probably going to sell off. Getting married is a horrible business decision. Thanks. I didn't know that. What's the success rate of the bot? Algo said Trader Joe had a 75% success rate last night on the live stream. Yeah, that was last week. So last week it killed it. I mean, that's insane numbers. That's the thing. Like those are insane numbers for the bot. Good morning, SCV. What's up, Ryan? How you doing, buddy? How you doing, Ryan? You want to see these bots? They're coming, man. They're coming. They're going to be in the Discord really soon. Does it manage stop loss for you also? It doesn't trade for you. It doesn't, we can't give you something that's going to trade for you. You're going to see the trades that it's making and you can follow along with it. But it's going to be like, it's going to go off of entry, exit, and all of that. But it's for trading shares. It's not for trading options. But if you're looking at it and going to take options trades based on it, it's going to confirm the rules for you and be like, this is looking good on all of the different metrics that we look for. So it makes it even easier for you to see if the crosses are valid or not. Yeah, it tells you, it's going to tell you when to enter and exit if that's what you want to do. All right, let's see. Amy's down about 5 cents, not doing anything really right here. We got Spy trying to get back up into the box. Let's see where Tiger is right here. Tiger. Yeah, chilling. I mean, it's down 84 cents right here. Let's see. You think you're going to roll your calls on Ethereum? That's not a bad idea. Eventually, that thing is going to shark. Eventually, it's going to shark, so be careful. Yeah, it's running really hard right now. It's just, when is that shark going to come? Oops, hold on. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. My daily dues are in. Have a great day, STV and you people. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, the 4 hour just looks like it wants to continue to run. What about I bet the daily just looks spicy too. Oh, okay. So the daily 200 EMA is at, where is it? 669. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Oh, because this is not doing pre-market. So the daily 200 EMA is at 669. And we're above it right now in the pre-market. If you start to get closing candles above the 200 EMA on the daily, this thing could shoot. This thing could shoot. Yeah, it's crossing over the daily 200 EMA. U.S. crude futures fall $3 to session low of 105.01 a barrel. All right, Amy down 6 cents. Spy flickering here. Yeah, I mean, we'll watch Ethereum for a little while today while we're on. I don't trust these bots. That's how Terminator started. But yeah, we've got two algorithms coming for you guys very soon. I think next week is probably when we're going to be releasing those to you guys. Been trying to tell you, SV, this thing could rocket. No, it could. It easily could. Moonshot for Ethereum last time was 20, and Shark, that'll go to that high, but it has some potential. It does. Ethereum definitely has potential. It definitely has potential. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in here, as we're getting close to market open, we got 6 minutes to go. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. YouTube's been really messing with us a little bit over here. So if you don't mind, costs you nothing to do it, but it helps us out a whole lot over here. Just hit that like button. It helps get these streams recommended to some more people and with the YouTube algorithm. What do you think of jumping into Ethereum after the closing candle above the 200 EMA on the daily? You could. I mean, that's the thing. Like, that could be a really, really good indication that it's going to continue to just absolutely go nutty. Let's see. Hold on. We got some more news coming in, I think. IMF chief economist says he sees serious risk of global economic fragmentation. Oh, you don't say. Tesla about to cross down on the 5-minute is actionable because it's close to market open. Can you buy puts when it happens? No. So no, it's not really actionable. Yeah, BBIG and Tide could be interesting. I'm Batman. You could have did a better on this new Batman than that guy did. Dude, the new Batman was good. I liked it. Something in the way. All right, here we go. Held your 6 Ethereum calls overnight. There you go, man. I know Sam's gonna come in here at some point and just lose his mind because I know Sam still probably has Ethereum calls, or he's gonna do it again today. Sam's been killing it on Ethereum. All right, let's see. Amy down about 7 cents. Ethereum's just flickering around over here. Let's see, where's Tiger? Tiger's got no volume. 668 shares have been traded on target. Caterpillar, let's see what we're doing. This thing, it's down to 0.5% right at the 200 EMA. Wally, what's this doing? Wally's up a little bit here. Barely, like volume is so low all across the board on a lot of these. We'll leave Tiger up for, you want to leave, we'll leave Ethereum up for open. See what this thing does. It's at 681 right now. Jesus. How old is Toby Maguire's new girlfriend? How would I know this? How are these things that I would know? Huh? You guys think these are things that I would just know? Crazy. Oxy down. No shark fins today? You trying to avoid the shark fins, or are you saying there's not going to be any shark fins today? Because there's definitely going to be shark fins today. Okay. Is Amy going to do what it did yesterday and then just start ripping into open? Because, I mean, yesterday we were just starting to see boom boom candles just start firing off like within the last minute before it opened. And then it ran, then it got shot down, and then it sold off for the rest of the day. 3 minutes to go. Here we go, people. Here we go. $70 years old? Whoa. That's reckless. Sorry, not for me. Amy trying to crack above this 200 EMA right now in the pre-market. How's Ethereum? Ethereum coming back down. Oh, here comes Subi. Here comes Subi with the hype. Price target on Ethereum 14. It's pretty high. That's pretty high. CMPI. If you're already in it, great. If you're not, I mean, don't be a chaser. All right, let's see. Amy down a penny. SPY's just flickering at the low end of the box here. Here comes Jimmy with a candle. They might do this nonsense again where like the last couple of minutes of pre-market, it just goes whoop. There are no settings for the SPY box. You just manually draw them. And on the charts that we give you in the Discord, you see them. Like this is an example of one of the charts that you would get in the Discord right here, and we send you these charts. Look at this. You get 1348 crossovers. It says calls, puts. You get the RSI, you get the MACD, you get shaft trend, and look at this. You get support, so like support and resistance here too. So you can play in these support and resistance zones, and these charts are sent to you in the Discord on the alert. All right, folks. Ethereum coming back up. Amy down about 3 cents over here. All right, less than a minute to go. We're about to get a ding ding. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Ooh, Amy back into the green a little bit here. Some buyers stepping up. What the shit? Come on. Come on. Come on, Amy. Here we go. Come on. All right. So we got less than a minute to go. Again, the technicals on the longer time frames are saying that it's probably got some more downside left, but let's see what happens. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Here we go. Let's see. Ethereum. Let's see what the SPY is going to do over here. Are they just going to run the SPY and just be like, nope, screw it? Yeah, here it goes. Amy coming down. Bunch of nonsense over here. Ethereum running new highs. Let's see. Amy down about 10 cents. SPY's moving up here a little bit. Ooh, Caterpillar with a nice little move here. Amy, crime candles. Same thing with Jimmy over here. Where's Tiger? Where is Tiger? Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Tiger, hello there. Yeah, here comes SPY back up here nicely. Jesus. All right, Tiger's looking spicy. Come on, Tiger. Let's go on a run here. Huh, pal? Amy, 17.29, 25. Coming down a little here. Jimmy's coming. Ooh, Jimmy flickering. All right, let's see. Cat. I mean, there's a little crazy open here. Where's Ethereum? Did it break 7? No, Ethereum did not break 7. The way they immediately drop it at the opening bell is laughable. They do it every day. It's the same price action every single day. Plug had news. Plug up 5% right now, but it is coming down a little. Jimmy is up 0.5% here. Amy's down 7 cents. That ate up this red candle here. Let's see. Where's Tiger? Tiger looks all right. Ethereum running back up. Did it break 7 yet? It's trying to break 7. Oh, 704 is the high. Ooh. Here comes the boom boom. It might. Yeah, Tyrion's trying. Tiger, how we doing? Tiger just kind of flatlining here. Caterpillar, not really doing a whole lot here. Yeah, trading view as yeah, so does Weeble on Ethereum, 704. All right, we're at Fetty Wap right now on Amy. Yeah, all right, guys. As you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. Getting these streams recommended out to some more people. Let's see. Ethereum trying to get up above 7 here. SPY's trying to do its thing as well, but it's just kind of flatlining now after that initial pop. Jimmy's trying to make a little bit of a move here. We're up 1% on Jimmy. Amy is flat right now. Come on. Oil's down today. Tiger. There we go. There we go. Here we go, Tiger. Come on. All right, let's see. Oil slippery today. Yeah, Tiger running up here. I love that. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going, Tiger. Ethereum. Oh, did it go? Did it crack it? Yeah, Ethereum running now. Ethereum's getting up there. Yeah, and then you guys are saying Bank of America's running? Yep, Bank of America's running up hard here. I mean, this is kind of another, it's just kind of moving with the SPY right now, but Bank of America's up 1.62. Amy down about 11 cents right here. Jimmy's flickering around. Yeah, is there news on Bank of America? Or there were bank earnings yesterday. It could be running off of that. Yeah, Tyrion did bust 7. Is it holding it? Nope, couldn't hold 7. Tiger. Hey. Oh, there goes Tiger. Oh, Tiger. Tiger. Ford's running. I mean, SPY's running up here. Honestly, if you're gonna this morning pop may not hold. Like, this is what we remember. What we saw this yesterday. We saw almost the same exact thing yesterday. Look at this. Oops. Look at this. Open, run. Flat line. Wait, no, hold on. That's not it. Open, run, sparked right back down, up 10. Like, the volatility on the SPY today could be crazy, so just be careful. Do you think Ryan Cohen's quote last night was about condom splitting? The hell is condom splitting? Like breaking one? Adrian, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Jim Cramer was just screaming printing on CNBC. That fucking guy, bro. He's a wild boy. Jim Cramer is a wild boy. Yeah, Caterpillar starting to come down now. Tiger looks to be the winner. Did I look at Bank of America? I did right here. It was running. Coming back down a little bit here. Tiger looks like it's going to be the winner today, though. Look at this. New highs. Thank you. He's a tool. Yeah, the Tigers are up 22%. Amy moving down. SPY holding here. Target up another percent, man. How's this on the 4-hour? It still looks dirty. It just still looks dirty on the 4-hour. Oh, yeah, new highs. Let's go, Tiger. All right, Amy 1725. Yeah, Amy's just, I mean, hard MF. We were literally talking about this in the pre-market. The technicals say it's coming down. So there's not much you can there's not much you can say about it. That everything is kind of screaming that the thing is probably coming down. Oh, these Tigers are ripping now. 30% on these Tigers. Yeah, Amy moving down, SPY holding at the highs, Jimmy coming down, but coming back up. 242 fit. Wow, Tiger. Tiger is a beast. Let's see if it holds. See if it holds, man. Amy's down 31 cents right now. Jimmy's now down 0.5%, 78 cents now. DraftKings is back. No. Ethereum's going. Is it back above 7? Yeah, Ethereum making new day highs on this 5-minute candle here. Ligers are better. All right, bro. I don't know what Liger would be in terms of like what we talk about, but this Tiger is a beast. Yeah, Ethereum new high at 726. If it can hold, it's got to hold 7. SPY's just kind of flickering around a little bit here. You found a flaw with the Stonko tracker data. Adrian, what might that be? Because there are flaws with it. Do I think AMC will go to 15? I think it's very possible that it does. I think it's possible that it can. Will it? I don't know. Is that a possibility? Yes. It's definitely a possibility. No, I know what a Liger is. I just like what in terms of a stock, what would be Liger? Like Target's Tiger. All right, let's see. 1721 on Amy over here. SPY's just kind of flickering around. Tiger is looking good, but it's coming back down. HD's running. Yeah, HD's trying. Where's Caterpillar? Kmart. Kmart sucks. Lucid and Tiger would be Liger. Okay, yeah, but like Lucid and Tiger would have to merge to form a Liger, which we're never gonna see that happen. All right, SPY's moving back down a little bit here. Same thing with Tiger. How are we arguing about Ligers right now? Chris, what do you mean? What else would we do? we're literally just watching Target do its thing. We got Ethereum running up here. Amy, the technicals are saying it's probably going to come down a little bit here. What would you like to talk about, Chris? Lulu? Noah? You gonna hop on the Lulu train? I do love me some Lulu. Oh, Lulu up 2.3% right now. Jeez. Lulu's 4-hour, I believe, is spicy. Yeah, Lulu's 4-hour looks good. About to get that cross too. Lulu has earnings coming up at some point too. Dude, I played Lulu one time from like 300 to 370, and I had like the 420s, and those were up like 2,000%. Like Lulu is a dirty one. Amy coming back up a little here. Dude, AMC just continues to drop. Bro, look at this. It's telling you it's coming down. Look. 1348. Cross here, below the 200 EMA. It's flatlining here a little bit here. You could see a little bit of support at a couple of these levels. But the technicals have been screaming that it's coming down. It just is what it is. AMC is dead. No. Oh, Tiger. What am I playing on Snap earnings? I don't know yet. I mean, it's Thursday, so I would do it. I'll figure it out on Thursday. Lulu big resistance at 398. Yeah, breaking 400 on Lulu would be dirty. Ooh, I almost just knocked over my energy drink. That would have been so bad. All right, Tiger's looking spicy. The Tigers are now up 34%. Nice. Love that. Love that for us. Verizon running up? Yeah, Verizon has earnings pre-market Friday. Look at it, Tyrion. Is it shark or is it running? Tyrion's just a sharking. Cougars love Lulu. Everybody loves Lulu, bro. Lulu and Target. Those are the two. You just go to Lulu and Target. Good to go. Why not? Coffee doesn't do the trick, bro. Doesn't do it. All right. Amy's down 19 cents over here. Dollar General's running again, bro. Yeah, man. These have just been like look at these. This one's nasty. This Dollar General play is disgusting. This thing is nasty over here. All right, SPY getting a little bit of a pop-up. Amy down 17 cents. Jimmy's at 141.09. Where's Tiger? New highs? It's coming. I love my Tiger. All right, let's see what we're going to get over here on Amy. Let's do a little quick Ortex update. Because remember, they didn't borrow anything the first time that we checked it. I mean, I'm guessing they have now. Hey, Ortex. Come on, pal. 153, almost 154,000 borrowed shares. Net borrow of 19,000. Oh, Tiger is looking for these new day highs. All right, Amy's popping back up here a little bit. Only down about 7. SPY with a big candle here. Tiger new highs. Woo! 40% on the Tiger now. Wally and Plug are partnering for hydrogen? No way, bro. No way. Wow, that's true. That's true. What's Walmart doing over here? Wally up a little bit. But again, Wally's already gotten its all-time high breakout. I think Tiger's next. Like, that's just kind of why I have these Tiger calls ahead of their earnings. Amy's getting some green stuff. A little bit. Not really. We're down about 16 cents. SPY's getting a big candle over here, though. Is that why Plug is up heaps? Yes. Yes, that is why Plug is up. Dude, the spread on these Tigers is pretty crazy. Check Hasbro run up off earnings. Was that yesterday? Did they report yesterday? They're running. I don't remember when they. Hold on. They either report after hours today or they reported yesterday. Oh, they reported pre-market today. What's with Titter? Just down a little bit here. Let's see. SPY, pretty big candle here. Where's Tiger? Tiger. Tiger, tiger. Serious question. Are people still buying puts on Amy? I stepped away right after that and curious if it's safe to come back. I mean, I don't know. People might be. I think the majority of people are like, no, that's not how that works. But who knows, man? Tinder's ripping? Is Tinder public, bro? AMD's going? Yeah, that would make some sense over here. Wow, like 41% on these tigers right here. SPY flickering. Yeah, AMC will now accept Doge and SHIB on the mobile app. Yeah, we saw that come out. I think that was last week. No, I know Match.com is public. Match.com is definitely public. All right, let's see here. Again, guys, as you're filtering in, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, it helps out a whole lot with Al Gore's rhythm. Let's see what we're going to get here. Dude, Tiger's just a beast. Where's Keith? Keith, where are you at on Tiger? Because you have shorter expiration than I do, and I'm up 42%. Condoms ripping? No. Tiger. Woo, Tiger. Dude, this is such a solid trade here so far. Walmart's ripping too. Yeah, the retailers are starting to go. There it is. New highs. Here we go. Doesn't say which in the money or out of the money options are buy to open, sell to open. Just assume they're buy to open, which is bad for market makers. Adrian, it doesn't matter. It's tracking open interest. So it doesn't matter if they're buy to open or sell to open, because either way, it's the same thing. Because somebody's buying it and somebody is selling it. That's not really a flaw. It's tracking open interest. It's just looking at the data and tracking open interest. Dude, Target is just on a moon mission. Sold your free position yesterday in Tiger. Got back in this morning for a longer term. There you go, buddy. There you go. SPY starting to move up here a little bit. Dude, fucking Tiger. April 22nd, 235 call up 95% on Tiger. Yeah, these are good. Is Target a chase at this point? I mean, I'm holding it because I think here's where, okay, so this is kind of what I'm looking at on Tiger over here. Okay, so this chart looks a little wonky. But look at a couple of these levels right here. This is 241. We're above that. When are some of these other longer levels up here? Like we have this all the way up at 268. We've got 248 right here. We've got 251 right here. These are all levels of support and resistance on Tiger. Like everything is looking really, really, really spicy on this thing. We got the shaft trend screaming bullish. We got the MACD looking good on the 4 hour. The RSI is looking good. Like it's a little bit overheated. So when the 13 catches up here a little bit, you might see a 13 EMA test before it comes back up. But these are also the charts that we're sending you guys in the Discord as well. Look, like this is all of the different support and resistance zones right here. You look at this on the 5 minute. Look, we're above all of the different levels of resistance right now in the recent past. So it's a little bit of like breakout territory here on Tiger. Tiger, new highs. SPY running up to the box here. So if you guys are interested in seeing those charts as we send them to you when you're getting the alerts, you do get free access into the Discord now with the Patreon. You just won't get charged until the beginning of next month. So the link to that's in the top of the live chat over there. What are these up now? 51%. Boom, Tiger. I love it. On J&J. Yeah, J&J's running over here. Yeah, this thing's running too. What's this? Yeah, it just broke that. Where is it on the 4 hour? 4 hour looks spicy too. I mean, where are the other levels? Yeah, this thing is running, man. Let's see. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Does this look like where a Tyrian shark fins? Thank you. Let's take a look. If it gets a daily close above the 200 EMA, I would say it's got some more room left to go. Because like if you on the 4 hour, or no, I think it's the daily. Yeah, it's the daily chart. Sorry, it's not the 4 hours, the daily. Yeah, so you open up above here. If it can hold 669, I would say you're going to be pretty bullish. Kai's Crazy Adventures. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I heard Mick Oakiner bought out Tinder's biggest shareholder. Nice, man. Nice. All right, let's see. This is still the daily. Where's Tiger right now? Oh, man. Oh, Tiger. 58% on the Tiger. All right. So if I cross up, do you think SPY will pop the box today? It might. I mean, it's going to be a level of resistance. If you can break it, that's going to be awesome. If you get, oh, Jimmy's popping up here. Amy's coming up a little bit. We got Amy's down about 9 cents over here. Yeah, GME, nice pop here. Tesla earnings tomorrow. Yep, we do have Tesla earnings tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, Tiger's getting a little bit of a cool off here. What are these contracts at now? 58%. Enter room, hit like button before listening because we know it's going to be another good stream. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. All right, Amy popping up here now, going back into the green. I like it. I like it. Jimmy's coming up here a little bit as well. Lulu is a sicko. Is Lulu doing its thing over here? It's trying. I mean, Lulu broke 400. I like that. SPY's coming up here. Tiger, come on. Up, Tiger. Oh, Jamie trying to get above that 200. Amy back into the green a little bit here. All right, SPY, little box breakout here. Woo, baby. Recession is coming, AMC catalyst. No, that's not how that works. If a recession comes and the market sells off, AMC will come down with it. Remember what happened in November. Never forget November. All right. Freaking Tigers at the day high over here, up 2% on the day. That's dirty. 104% on Johnson & Johnson. There you go. See Jimmy back down. When is a good time to sell the target call? My contracts are for May, so I'm holding them. These are up 61%. I'll make them free at 100. Let's see. 66% on Tiger for next week. Good shit, dude. Good shit. Top SPY's coming up here. Here we go. Adrian, thanks for the super buddy. I respectfully disagree. In the money, out the money, buys versus sells do matter as far as who is profitable on the trade. Out the money buys are zero, but out the money sells are printing. Adrian, that's not what the chart is representing though on Stonko. It's talking about open interest. If you want to see if like it doesn't matter because open interest is just going to be the contracts that are being held at that given time. Yes, they've all been sold to open, and yes, they've all been bought to open as well. So you don't need to know really. I mean, I know what you're talking about, like who's profitable, but if you just want to talk about open interest, that's what it's giving you. That's not what the data is trying to tell you. All right, so Tiger's over here making new day highs, fucking killing it. 63% on these. Let's see. Bitcoin moonshot. Oh boy. Yeah. Bitcoin running here. I still coming up. Jimmy got knocked a little bit here. Hype loading. There we go, Subi. There we go, Subi. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We are killing it on target. I love it. Yeah, SPY new highs, Tiger new highs. Really ripping on target here. Next level of SPY resistance. Let's look. Oops, hold on. That was I just completely botched this. Let's see. What's this right here? 441.64 is about where, yeah, and what's this? 443. So yeah, so right around a couple of those levels, 441.64 and 443. Tiger is just on an absolute moon mission right now. You just got in target, already up 44%. Yeah, I mean, you're doing better than I am, but I have May contracts for it, so I'm holding these for a while. These are up 64%. Less trades, more profits. Go, Amy, push. She's trying to push here. She is trying to push. Good morning, everyone. Please, everyone, don't get stuck on calls. Remember, we have market crushers speaking today. Very true, new guy. Very, very, very true. So Amy is trying to crack this 200 EMA here. Here it is. We're up about 6 cents. Pretty flat right now. Let's see. All right. Target might be in for a little bit of a cool, but 244 is nutty on this thing. She's trying here. She is trying. SoFi. Ripping. Yeah, SoFi's got a nice crossing coming up here. DraftKings broke the 200 and running. Yeah, DraftKings is starting to run here a little bit. Amy's starting to get a little bit of action here too. Let's see if we can break the day high of 1757. We're a penny away. Tiger looks good. Yeah, here we go. Breaking new highs on Amy over here. Yeah, SPY's coming up new highs. Tiger's trying to move. Here comes Amy running up here. Up about 1% right now. Looking all right. Looking all right. Finally bought your first in the money AMC call. There you go. I mean, I'm not buying calls right now, but I mean, you can still make a little bit of money on them if you catch it right. Amy's pumping. Amy's getting a little pump here. Here we go. All right, guys. Again, hit that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm over here. Amy, 18. Come on. Come on. Come on, Amy. Amy's coming up here. I like it. SPY's moving too. Tiger's trying to move. Jimmy's trying to get above the 200 EMA. We're looking good. All right. SPY look good. Ooh, SPY new highs. SPY is running right now. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. 65% on the Tigers. Woo! Made $375 on the Disney 130. There you go, buddy. There you go. You're up 50% on the SPY. All right. I mean, at that point, you guys know how to make it free. Today is going to be crazy in terms of volatility coming in. The SPY is ripping right now, but again, careful. Careful. We got a lot of speakers coming later today that could bring things down. So you have 650 calls on Ethereum for Friday and it's at 7. You're only up 4%. Do you get out? Well, I mean, I can't tell you what to do. I literally cannot tell you what to do there. SPY moving back down here. Tiger moving down a little bit too. SPY looks pretty. Yeah, it might do it might come down and test this box before it wants to head back up again. Gabe is live for the Discord people. There we go. Sam Lee, thank you so much for the super buddy cutlet money from the J&J home run. I appreciate that, my man. Thank you. Will I be streaming these people who are going to speak? I will try. I got to leave very soon to go to class. What time are the demons speaking? Yeah, so I'm going to come back on at, I think 12:45 is when I'm going to come back on. That's when I'm going to try to get back on for you guys. That's when I'll schedule it. 12:45. You just made $175 off AXP 1348. There you go, man. Short on class, long on MOAS. Yeah, I mean, Amy's trying to get up here a little bit. I like it. All right, SPY's flickering. Tiger's coming back down a little here. Not a hedge fund. Thanks for the super. Stay in class so we squeeze. I appreciate the super, buddy. Thank you. Want me to run the show while I'm in class? No. No, thank you. Once SCB leaves for class, AMC and GME fly. They typically do. They typically do. Uber, is Uber running? Uber. Yeah, Uber's getting up here. Uber's another one. People were asking in the private live stream last night, like, what are some stocks that you can get like $50 contracts on? Uber's one of them. Uber, Neo, DraftKings, stuff like that. They're going to be a little bit more volatile, but you can get cheaper contracts on them. Yeah, SPY. Oops. Oopsie daisies. Caterpillar coming down. How's HD? HD's up a little here, but Tiger getting a little red with the SPY coming up. That's no fun. If you send the link, I can keep people entertained while you're in class. No, I'll just start a new one later. Plug is rocking. I mean, it's up 6%. It's not really doing much after open today. SPY is still moving up here. Tiger's probably cooling just a little bit. We gotta rinse off our Tiger. Let's see. On the strategy, should the cross happen over the 200 EMA or only the stock trade above it? The rules say the stock needs to be above it, but you could even get like boil it down even more to crosses above the 200 EMA. But you're going to eliminate a lot of the trades. You'll probably eliminate a lot of shark fins too. Rinse off our Tiger sounds naughty. It's not at all. It's not at all. Let's see. All right, guys, I do have to go to class. I got to do a presentation. I do have to go to class. So if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way out again, we are giving you that free access trial period into the Discord until the end of the month. You're about to get those proprietary trading algorithms. You get the fastest alerts in the game on over 400 stocks. You get the charts. You get 40 private live streams every single month. If you want to hop in and check that out right now, Gabe is doing a live stream right now. The link to the Patreon's in the top of the live chat over there. Hopefully I see a lot of you guys in there. Again, a lot of people are having a lot of success with what we've been talking about with these 1348 crossovers. So if you want to take your trading to the next level, make sure you guys hop in there with us. You do have to sign up through the Patreon. You just won't get charged at the beginning of the month. Links in the top of the live chat. Also, that was a fun morning. We're making some money on Tiger. Let's see what happens with Amy going into the end of the day. I will be back on at 12:45. So I'll schedule that stream right now. But other than that, people, hit that like button on the way out, and peace.